Good morning, guys. Going to quickly give my thoughts on Bitcoin again here. It's Thursday, the 8th of December. Last video was 2 days ago and we were trading right here. Okay. We were trading below this local range mean, and I said liquidity in my eyes was resting lower, so I was going to look for scalp shorts if we saw some upside, target this range low here and lower into green. Unless we got back above this supply, this red supply here lining up with OTE from this leg. Back then we didn't have this leg. Okay, so this was OTE from the swing high to the swing low, OTE. And I said if we broke back above here, then I'd flip bullish and target higher. But until we were trading below that area, I was targeting lower. Okay. So in fact, I did take a scalp short. I shorted from this range mean, targeted range lows, got half out on this candle at range low, so great exit, and I'm still half in. Okay, so just want to quickly give my thoughts on what I think is going to happen next and just give my plan. Everyone do your own thing, but I'm just giving you my view on the market. Okay, so played out beautifully, saw the downside, swept this low. So yeah, I also got some questions. Why take this swing low as the range low and not that one, right? Lots of people on Twitter are taking this one as a range low. I'm taking that one. Well, my answer is simple. If you zoom out, right, you're gonna see that this swing low is more significant and is more isolated. Okay. Go to the daily, for example, and you'll see that you still see this swing low on the daily while this swing low has disappeared. Okay, so I think there's going to be more stops and more liquidity below this swing low than below this one. Okay, that's a simple reason. So yeah, as I said, took half profits on my short on the sweep of this range low. And now we've been basically consolidating in this tight range, marked it out with those swing highs and local swing lows. And yeah, nothing much has happened. But what do we use here whenever price consolidates in a tight range? Stops gonna be resting to the upside and stops gonna be resting to the downside. Okay. So what I'm personally looking for, either we sweep the highs first, okay, then I'll be holding my shorts because I don't think there's any chance we leave these lows and this swing low unswept after taking these highs into clean resistance. So if we pump from here, I might even add back to my shorts here, okay, and target lower, target the lows, and then I'll be cautious with closing. Why? Because local liquidity to the upside has been taken. So then I could see this dip a little further into OTE, a little lower into 16.4 maybe, and then look for a bullish price action. Maybe a new local range here to set up another sweep and then take it from there. So that's our first plan. If we sweep these local highs first. If we don't, let's remove all of this. If we don't and we dip here first, okay, if we do this and go for the lows, then I think there's a bigger chance that we just sweep this low into this green area that we talked about in the previous video. So then I'll definitely be closing my shorts on the next sweep, and I'll be more aggressive with looking for longs. Why? Because then these highs have been unswept and left behind, which means even more squeeze potential to the upside. Along with that, we have lots of liquidation levels resting up here and even above Monday high into, above 18K even. So if we leave those highs, I'll be looking for longs here, keep my stops pretty wide, but target a lot higher, okay? So that's basically my thought process behind these little ranges where you have liquidity being built up to both sides, right? And use that as confluence for your next trade opportunity. So if we take the highs first, there's less draw to the upside. So be cautious with looking for longs and maybe hold shorts a little longer or until you see clear confirmation. If we sweep the lows first, that means more squeeze potential to the upside, so close shorts faster and be more aggressive in looking for longs. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.